Uh, I would request Mr. Mathur to make Mr. Deepak Sharma the host for the session. And now I would like to introduce Mr. Deepak Sharma. He is a director in Hetik Poda Woodworking Group, and he has served Hetik India Limited for a very long period. So Hatik has also done a quite a good amount of job in terms of RPL4 in best in class employer category. So over to you, Deepak ji. We would like to hear your inputs, your feedbacks, and whatever Hatik has done so far in version 2.
First of all, good evening to all of you. I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Deepak Sharma. I head the Hetik Poddar Woodworking Institute, which is a CSR initiative of Hetik India. We have institutes at Bombay also, and soon we'll be launching one at Bangalore. And we want to expand these institutes. We started in 2016, this institute at Faridabad, present institute is Faridabad. And I would like to add you, we have recently been recommended as a PMKK, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendra, which is the only Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendra Furniture Fitting Council, has been approved for Hetik Poddar Woodworking Institute at Faridabad. We'll soon be signing the MOU with them, and we'll be starting in January onwards under PMKK. Now, as the FFSC team has already briefed regarding what is RPL, and Mr. Mathur has rightly said that we want to give, they will look for respect and recognition. See, I'll tell you today, if I'm looking for my house, if for renovation, I'm looking for a carpenter. I go by word of mouth. I'll ask my friend or my any retailer which is a good carpenter. So there may be a carpenter who is 10 years old in the industry. Maybe he doesn't have a very good rapport with the dealer. The dealer will recommend somebody newbie who maybe has an understanding with him. So there is no recognition, as there was a person may be expert in the trade, but there is no recognition for him. So there was a need to certify the people who have the expertise, but they were not recognized through any sort of certificate. There were no degree with them to show around, okay, this is certificate they can show around, showing what the ability they have. So this notion of RPL came, which we successfully launched pan India through a network of retailers and the team of Hetik sales team and Apple sales team. Divesh, can I share the screen?
Yes, sir. Mr. Mathur. Yes, sir. You can just try sharing the screen.
Who's disabled is coming.
Just wait a second.
Oh, there's a problem. I'll continue.
Yes, sir. I'll just getting it solved.
So when we go around doing these trainings, we make it a point, as Mr. Mathur also highlighted, giving respect to the carpenters, giving them a feeling this is a recognition which will come in handy when they move around in the market doing their jobs. And people who, after receiving the certificates, do come back to us saying this certificate got them more respect, got them a better payment from the concerned clients, and they are getting recognized in the market. And with the certificate, they're moving around with respect. And with this certificate, the benefits a carpenter gets are, other than the monetary benefits, which are he gets 500 rupees in his account from Government of India, a certificate from Government of NSDC. Then company has divided its own scheme where we give around 500 rupees in his account, and we making him a member of our Perfect Fit Club, where he keeps on getting benefits throughout. So there's better bonding with him in the company. Then he gets trained in one of the furniture fitting best company products, and he gets comfort how to install those products, how to go about dealing with clients who want to purchase those products. Then even in trade fraternity, people look for such carpenters who can really go out and install furniture for people who are buying the company's hardware. So these are the benefits which are there to the, and even we offer jobs to people who show excellent ability during these trainings, we also offer jobs to them through our sister concerns. So these are the benefits we are offering to the carpenters. The benefit to the industry are manifold. With the carpenters who have been certified by the company, they somehow become brand ambassadors of the company. They give so much goodwill to the company. They go about speaking about the company in a good way. They also, since they have learned installing a product during the training, when they move around in the market, they have comfort in installing. Today, if some customer buys anything in Roorkee and he's looking for an installation possible there, one of these RPL carpenter will be available in Roorkee, trained by my team, to able to do this installation there. And these carpenters not only join hands during RPL, after that they are continuously in touch with our team, and we keep on upgrading the skill sets so that they become expert, gradually a better level carpenter than what they are at present. And there may be people, we see a lot of people who come to for RPL, they are not doing the things in the right way. They are doing maybe a hatoda chop, we say hatoda chop job, which is not the way of carpentry. We teach them how to really reuse the tools, how to make a product function perfectly all right. So the benefits for the carpenter and for the industry are manifold. And in between, the channel fraternity of ours get benefited because a carpenter is trained. He will be easily able to convince the customer to buy a certain product, and he will be able to install it.
Deepak ji, I would like to intervene. You can share your screen now.
I think I will almost cover all the things. I'll share the screen. Okay. 1 second. Visible? Is screen visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, as already all the people have told, what are the benefits to the labor industry and end customer? As I've already highlighted in my previous, what I spoke, I have covered all these three areas. Now, these are the brave what financial help he gets, which are immaterial. The long-term gain he gets with the certificate is recognition. And with the certificate, he can go to any client, he can show what his ability is without any word of mouth requirement. And we gradually upgrade him to a model of because the industry is changing. Soon the way earlier furniture carpentry was done will change over time. So industry will change. If he's in touch with us, we'll keep on upgrading his skill sets. And we even list his name in the Hetik Poddar website. So any customer who's buying a hardware can go to a website and look for a carpenter in his location who is recognized by us in RPL through government of NSDC program, and he can get a good carpenter will get the benefit of providing services to the customer, whereas customer gets a good quality installation done. These are the benefit to the industry. Carpenter thus trained by the company becomes loyal to the company. They become a brand ambassador that spread goodwill for the company through word of mouth. They can be utilized at remote places. They are placed for providing quality service to local customers. We have ready manpower which can be consumed whenever need arises. They push more products as feel ease in fitting products they are trained on. Devas, that's it. Any questions? Anything I can answer?
Thank you, sir. That seems to be quite descriptive.